Where are my vegans and lactose intolerant? This video is specially for you people, okay? If you are new to this channel, I am Hayat and you are welcome. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make soya milk and you love it here. So here I have my soya beans and this is how it is in case you don't know soya beans, okay? So I will remove all the unwanted particles in these beans and then I will wash it properly and then transfer into a bowl. And here I am going to add water and allow it to sit for 8 to 12 hours. And this will help the beans to soften for it to be easier when blending. After 12 hours, this is what I have, and I am going to discard the water and then I will wash it thoroughly and I will be back. So after washing it, I am going to transfer it into a blender, add enough water and blend so it is smooth and nice. Use a cheesecloth to pour the soya beans mixture into it, and here make sure you squeeze as much as liquid as you can, okay? So after squeezing, you can blend the pulp once again for you to get extra milk, or you can just get rid of it, okay? So here we have our raw soya milk and I am going to cook it on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Skim the top to get rid of the foam. Make sure to be stirring it from time to time because we don't want to create any mess here, okay? So once you see this thing on top of your soya milk, just remove it gently, okay? So we are going to remove it and then discard it. So here I will off my heat and allow it to cool down. Next, I am going to add some sugar, or you can use any sweetener of choice, okay? And then I will add some vanilla to it. Give it a good mix till everything is well combined. And I will allow it to cool down completely. I will then strain it using a sieve to get rid of any unwanted particles in it. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And just like that, you just made yourself homemade soya milk with zero additive. So you can enjoy this soya milk either hot or cold, and you can as well use it for baking, okay? Just try this homemade for your own good, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video to this very end, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me just remind you, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video for me, I beg you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.